Robert Gates, Secretary of Defense, former Secretary of Defense for President Obama and President Bush, the second Bush. Is just another hater. He has a new book out and he's kicking all kind of dirt on the sitting president, Obama. That is no class. Why would he come out with a book while the president is still in office? Surely he has every right to write a book. Surely he has every right to his opinion. But most people with class wait until the term is over. What's his reason? Is he broke? Is it financial? Please. It's straight hate. This man is a hater, and he was probably itching to get it out. He couldn't wait. He couldn't wait till the second term is over. He cannot wait. He's a hater. He's out. He's out of the closet of the haters. Okay? Add him to the list. He's very disrespectful, another one, because anytime you have an opinion about a president, that's fine. You have every right. You were very close to the White House, but I would love to see how different you would have done it. Okay, all those people who have all those negative hate and complaints about our president, I love to see how great they would rule this country. Okay, win an election on your own, you so great and better. No, it's only just hate, and it's just so annoying because time and time again, instead of getting our country back up running well, why did this man do it? Does he really need the money? I mean, because doesn't that job pay well? Because the country is hurting right now. They're taking food stamp money from people. They're cutting unemployment from people. What is wrong with these people? Why won't they help instead of hurt? I always heard this saying, like, if you don't really have anything good to say, don't say anything at all. You know, what about that? Couldn't he wait? This man, former Secretary of Defense, Robert Gates, nothing but a straight hater. Ching ching, another one on the list.